नमस्ते एंड वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल संस्कार वाई निश्चिता। आई होप कि आप लोग एकदम स्वस्थ मस्त और तंदुरुस्त होंगे। आज की वीडियो में हम करने वाले एक ऐसा फ्लो जो हेल्प करेगा आपको प्री मेनोपॉज और मेनोपॉज सिम्टम्स से डील करने में। नाउ जो ये फ्लो है ये मोस्टली बॉडी वेट स्ट्रेंथ एक्सरसाइजेज है, बिकॉज हम लोग जब बोलते हैं कि आफ्टर 40 वुमेन स्पेशली दे नीड टू फोकस ऑन डूइंग वेट ट्रेनिंग्स, मतलब कुछ प्रकार का वेट आपको लिफ्ट करना बहुत ही ज़रूरी आवश्यक है, बिकॉज यू स्टार्ट लूजिंग लॉट ऑफ मसल मास। सो आज की वीडियो में वी आर नॉट यूजिंग एनी एक्सटर्नल वेट्स, अपनी बॉडी का ही इस्तेमाल करके वी आर गोइंग टू डू सम स्ट्रेंथ एक्सरसाइजेस। सो विदाउट वेस्टिंग एनी मोर टाइम लेट्स डाइव इन। So first we are going to sit in any comfortable position, just a basic opening up the body, and then we'll start. So you're going to inhale, expand the chest, and exhale, hunch into low. 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Let's hold here, hunch. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Inhale slowly, come back. Now let's get into tabletop position. Your shoulders and wrist align, your hip and your knee in one line. Now from here you're going to inhale, arch your back, look up. Up, we'll pull the navel in so that we can support the spine. Let's stay here for 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now tuck the tailbone in and then slowly hunch. Keep pushing the floor and we'll stay here for 5 breaths. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now neutral spine. अब यहाँ से हमने क्या करना है, टक करना है फीट को इन और यहाँ से सिर्फ नी को लिफ्ट करना है. So we are going to use the core to lift the knee. So from here stay and let's go. Hold for 6. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Slowly release and get down into child pose. Stay here for 3. 1, 2 and 3. Inhale, come back. We'll go one more round. Let's go. Tuck the toe in, lift and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now from here आपके palms as it is रहेंगे. Walk back, walk front, walk. So step back, step in, step in. Let's go. 2, 3. Very good. Engage your core. 4 and 5. Slowly drop the knee and child pose. Take 3 deep breaths here. We'll come back into tabletop. Relax. Now from here what we'll do is we are going to lift into downward dog. Downward dog में आ जाएंगे. Now up. यहाँ से हमने क्या करना है, walk forward. 1, 2, 3. Come back. 1, 2, 3. Let's go. 2. Back. 3. Very good. Keep going. Back. Let's go. Last one. Let's go. And stay here. Let's go. Hold. So Ardha Uttanasana में आ जाएंगे. Let's go. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Inhale, slowly come up. From here we'll come at the edge of the mat. यहाँ से take a medium stance and the right foot facing forward. Get your arms out. Now from here extend, exhale, go down, open the chest up and stay here. Look at the top hand. अगर यहाँ तक आप reach नहीं कर पा रहे, you can stay here, keep a block. But don't drop the chest down. Chest open रहेगी. Stay here for 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Slowly bend the right leg. Left feet in हो जाएगा, right feet out होगा. Again, palms by the side. Extending. Exhale, go down. Open the chest and look towards the top hand. You'll feel the stretch in the inner thigh and hamstrings. Let's go. Hold 1, 2, hold for 5 breath, 3, 4 and 5. And slowly come up. Now we'll stay in the same position. यहाँ से. Now from here what we'll do is right foot out, slightly bend the knee. We are going to use the strength of the thighs to lift the back leg or the left leg. Now from here get into warrior 3 and let's go. Balance and stay. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Slowly bend the knee, drop. अब यहाँ से क्या करेंगे? Right foot in, left foot out. You can slightly bend first and then lift up and then straighten. So I'm going to bend slowly, lift the back leg, use my glutes and let's go. Stay. 1, 2, 3, hold for 2 more breaths, 4 and 5. Slowly drop. From here stay. Feet in, right foot out. Now the left foot will come 45 degree. Now my hip going to face forward, bend, getting into warrior 2. Stay here. Look at the base of the palm. Keep your back knee strong and locked. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Just keep looking up. Get the right foot in, 45 degree, left foot straight and keep the back leg straight and stay. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. From here place both the palms, lift, step back and knee down and take rest in Makarasana. Now whenever you take rest, try to keep your breath under control. It should not be very heavy and fast. So try to keep your breath soft and in control. From here what you'll do is you're going to straighten both the palms while lying down. Now we are going to lift the legs and the arms together. So inhale, lift. Now hold. 1, 2, 3 and down. Let's go. Inhale. 1, 2, 3 and down. Inhale. 1, 2, 3 and down. Inhale. 1, 2, 3 and down. Let's go last one. Inhale. 1, 2, 3 and down. Relax in Makarasana and breathe, breathe, breathe. From here slowly lift up get into downward dog, step forward. So now we'll do some basic squats. So उसका stance देख लेंगे. First of all, if you can't do squats और आपके लिए बहुत नया है, then use a chair. So सबसे पहले stance देखेंगे. So hip width apart and slightly the toes are turned out. Okay, अब यहाँ से basically जैसे हम chair पे बैठते हैं, pushing the hip back, that will be the alignment. So from here, keep your arms forward, press the knee out and come back. So from here, push the hip back and then slightly. Now अगर आप पहली बार squats कर रहे हैं और मे बी वो रेंज ना आ पाए, so आपने क्या करना है, सेम. Now you are going to just sit and come back, sit and come back. Now कोशिश क्या करनी कि आप पूरा weight chair पे ना डालें. Try to keep and then stand up, touch and stand up. So let's go. So we are going to do 10 rounds. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 more, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Slowly, slowly relax and come back. Let's go walk on the mat. If you are doing for the first time, ज़रूरी नहीं है directly gym, you can use your own body weight, play with it, build strength and then gradually build up. Let's go. Now हम लोग hip width apart distance रखेंगे feet और यहाँ से हमने glutes को squeeze करते हुए leg पीछे kick करनी है. So we'll do 5 on each side. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Shift your weight. Switch your legs. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So basically, if you feel you are feeling the stretch on the glutes, squeeze your glutes for more impact. Let's work on the hamstrings. So abhi we are using without resistance band. You can also use resistance band. So from here, pull. So you are going to pull back, pull, contract the hamstrings and then straighten. Let's go. 2, 3, 4 and 5. Let's go. Switch. 1. Feel the hamstrings contracting. 2, 3, 4 and 5. Slowly, slowly relax. Walk on the mat. Just last one. Stay with me. Let's go. So from here, what you'll do is you're going to bend the left leg, lift and then straighten and back. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So you might feel some cramps in the quads. Don't straighten the leg completely. अगर बहुत ज़्यादा cramps आ रहे हैं तो आप slight bend रखेंगे knee पे and then you'll feel a little better. Let's go. Last one. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Slowly, slowly walk on the mat and then slowly, slowly lie down on the back, hug your knee, lengthen the lumbar and then slowly, slowly straighten the leg. Breathe. Now at least stay here for 1 to 2 minutes. You can pause the video now. Take your time to recover. Don't think about the practice. Focus on the breath. Focus on how your body is feeling after the flow. Take as much time as you think your body needs. You can pause the video and stay here and breathe. Once you're ready, you can slowly bend the knee, lie down towards your camera, and then slowly sit in any comfortable position. Join your palms. Say a thank you to your body to support you in the practice. And then slowly open your eyes. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you found this useful. And if you did, then please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. It is going to mean a lot to me. मैं अपने चैनल में ऐसी बहुत easy flows डालती हूँ और कुछ common lifestyle disorders जिनके solution योगा और आयुर्वेदा में छुपा है. So please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also share this video with your friends, family, relatives जिनके साथ भी आपको लगता है ये वीडियो यूजफुल हो सकती है and can help them. So please don't forget to subscribe, share this video. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए नमस्ते and take care.